talking about the design work, this is most important. We're going to make something that's not done before. Limited amount of space underneath the FN2. Let's have a look at it. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. Let's show you the front first. So we know that these cars have got no space underneath. So what we're going to go for, he's got already some kind of manifold. I'm not sure which one it is, what make it is. It's a very small bore size, probably about 2 well, it's not really nice, is it? Check this out. I'm going to attempt to get this changed in the future. Looks like a 2 1/4 inch bore. Then we're going to go to 3 inch. He wants 3 inch. He's going for a turbo conversion in the near future. So that's something that we'll probably have to redesign for him anyway. So we're going 3 inch, and then we're going to use our oval 3 inch system here, the middle section, to give him as much ground clearance as possible. Most importantly, once we go over the rear axle, as you can see, the FN has got no sort of area to sort of work around and add silencers. Me and Victor just thought of a really good design for it, because he wants it equally coming out of each port. So I've got a design in mind. I think it's going to look and sound awesome. Most importantly, we're going to have it so we could try to get the most equal flow out the back for his turbo conversion. It's imperative, he said to me, he goes, Madge, that either side works. Then with the big turbo conversion he's going to have on there, it's important that the flow's right. So we've got design in mind. I want to see how we get on with it. Keep on watching the video, guys. This will be going to be a really interesting one. FN2 Type R, guys, it's done. The exhaust is done. Oval system's done. And you guys live, check this out. You need to watch this video. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Look, check this out. Look at this work of art. Check this out. It's a league of its own. Let me show you from underneath first of all. So we've started from here. So remember, this is Brandon's Civic Type R. It's going to 500-600 horsepower, like everybody knows. It's supercharging your turbo. He can't make his mind up just yet. So we needed massive ground clearance. So we got 3 inch down there. He wanted the power, obviously, with 3 inch and everything else to get to that sort of figure, to 500-600 horsepower. But yeah, so we went oval. As you can see, right, so it gets tucked up nice, because obviously it's not all fully connected yet. So we're nice and tucked up, as you can see right there, when it's all fully fitted. Loads of ground clearance, look at that, check that out. 3 inch oval system over the rear axle. Now check this out, guys. This is a connection point. Now, why is it like that? Why did we have to do that? If you, people that know that have, FNs have a huge horizontal resonator right here. So at the start of the video I showed you that this had a massive resonator, it was aftermarket, and it came out the one way. So why did we do this? The reason we done that, he wanted to keep it nice and as quiet as he can, but wanted equal flow. Now the majority of the aftermarket cars, exhaust systems, come 3 inch all the way through, and they come out the one side. Now he wanted it both sides, because he's got a Mugen rear, bumper, diffuser, whatever you call it. So okay, let's do this. So we had to come over the axle, and then we had to find a better method of putting 2 resonators there and trying to give it as an equal flow as possible to get the flow out to either side of the hole. So guys, check it out. 3 inch oval, dropped, check this out, for a wide piece. Madness. 2 resonator boxes, and then 2.5 inch mandrel out the back. Now, for the past week and a half, this is what we've been waiting for. Used to stop running off. Okay, so, right, we sent off this to our powder coaters, our new tip range, as you can tell, guys, DK Performance tips. Give us a comment, see what you think of them. So these are the tips that'll be going on here. So as you can see, we start kind of dodgily way of sort of hacking it there. Sorry? Right, sorry. So we've got, there's a dodgy way of just trying to hold it up, trying to get some pictures and that. We're trying to improve as much as we can, but you know what I mean? So they will be going fitting right here sometime today. Unfortunately, one of our main guys, Victor's off today because he's got a right bulge on the side of his face. It's not corona, by the way, but anyway, so them tips will be there, nice and black. You'll be seeing the the DKU badge shining off of them. And guys, you need to watch this video. They'll be going back in onto YouTube in the next couple of weeks, the whole way of the way it's going to sound. So I'm not going to let you guys, you're not going to hear the way this sounds yet. So you will have to watch the video. So subscribe to our channels, guys. This is another one. Watch, there you are, DKU once again. Keep on watching. There you are. Done. Your quotes, honest, that is a work of art. Even though I have to say myself, guys, have you seen how beautiful this is? Well done, Victor, you've done an amazing job. Guys, look at this. Equally, like Brandon wanted, either side we got the flow. You know the mods that we use, all oval, all the way through, 3-inch, all the way to the top, to get that equal amount of flow on either side, silence on the other side, 2.5 inch mandrels. It's amazing, guys, the spec. The way, it took us a long time to design, but I think that is a work of art. That looks great. Now, if I get it down, look at our new range of tips that we added on. There's a lot of modifications he's going to do to his diffuser, so critics, don't even go there. Don't say anything. He's going to sort all this bodywork out. Victor, get this car down, please. So these are our 4-inch Ranger Black Edition DKU new set of tips. He wanted them on. Give us your views on this as well, guys. So these are new tips. I think they look just perfect. Have a look at them. On either side. They look amazing. Moment of truth now. Let's hear what it sounds like. Victor, let's crank it up, brother. Typical Honda sound. Never heard one with an oval system midsection. It's got a 4-to-1 manifold as well. First impression, it's typical Honda. Wonder what it sounds like when it's revving a bit. So we'll check it out. We'll let it warm up. I'll come back to you in a second.